What's up, y'all? On my way to City Center to go pick up my birthday shoes. Some little chill drip on. My friend clothing line, Damage Crown, Essential shorts and some Land Vans. And some chill Cardis. You know, nothing too much, just some chill Cardis. I'm on the phone with my sis, Tony. We always on the phone, y'all. We always on the phone. We be rapping like shit. You in my ear? We be rapping, Slim. So, yeah. So I had let my phone. My camera had died while I was talking. But I'm back though. I'm almost there. Say I'm like 20 minutes away. I'm just size, you know. My girl supposed to be buying me these Louis shoes. Ain't no broke shit going on over here. But yeah, y'all, my birthday next month. We going to Turks. I need to do better with vlogging. I promise I'm gonna do better with vlogging and dropping these. We going to Turks next week. Our Airbnb fits full, but fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I had invited some of my friends to come, but me and my girl never really had a vacation with just us two. It's always like either been us and my bonus kids, her kids, and or our friends, which I don't mind because our friends are very cool to hang out with, but I thought it was important for it to be us two this time. So, and playing something else with my friends. Like, I feel like I just need this time with her. It's a very luxurious Airbnb. Like, we really spent some money on this shit. Me and my girl, we work 9 to 5, you feel what I'm saying? But we hustled ourselves up enough to the point to afford certain things, like, and for it not to be heavy on our pockets, you know what I'm saying? So that's a blessing from God. I feel like when you stay humble and when you don't think you're too good to do certain things, God gonna put some blessings on you, because even to this day, even though I got master's degrees or whatever the case may be, and I have a full-time job paying me what it pays me, I will go and work a part-time job quick and make $19 a fucking hour for that extra bread and be cool, you know what I'm saying? Money is money, like, money is money. Like, I'm also great at sports betting, so I'm not telling y'all my secrets, but I be cooking their ass on sports betting, so that's another reason why I be good, because I just be trying to make what I spent back. So if I go ahead and spend $1,500 a day, like, my goal is to make at least $800 a day, $800 a month, which is easy, just to get my shit back, and yeah, go from there. But I'm about to be 35. Can you tell? Like, you can't even tell I take care of myself. I go to the gym. I detox. I gained a little bit of weight though, but I try to take care of myself to the best of my ability, man. But yeah, I'll be there soon. I'll catch y'all in a bit. But y'all see my little hats in the back seat. I got some hats back there. But I'll catch y'all in a bit. Did I win? Yeah, I gotta go to the shops. Alright, y'all, so I finally made it. Took me a brick to get here. It was a good amount of traffic getting here. So yeah, but I figured it's like 2:30 in the evening. That's my little piece of dread. Where you go? But yeah, y'all, I'm waiting on everything else to come in the mail. and it's taking forever.
They call me princess, a chef, the cooker. Ooh, I should've walked in with an apron. I don't do chasing. Wait a minute, I got a line up waiting to be a replacement. Yeah, I had to retire from basic. Wait a minute, I want a lame just to race it. My pussy wet, put your face in. I say I'm single, they chasing. Wait a minute, baby, be patient. Trying to get money, man, no time for dating. I feel like Sapphire, bitch, I be blazing. Sex be amazing, I make them crazy. If it was real, we would've had babies. The way you do it make me crave it. Wait a minute, the way you do it make me save it. Wait a minute, my pussy wet, put your face in. Wait a minute, put your face in. Money only thing I'm chasing. Body be aching, I'ma still chase it. When I'm broke, I hate it. When I think back, like damn, it was basic. They ain't even work cause I wasn't basic. I know they mad, they love bitch basic. They see me shining, I know they hate it.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Por aquí arribita hay una mancha de ketchup. En estas mesas que están aquí arriba.
I feel like it's 2 Louis stores down here because I don't think it's the same Louis Vuitton store I went into that time. Or maybe it might be for real. Oh yeah, it is. How you doing? Am I allowed to record myself? They told me I couldn't record with my camera here, so I switched to the iPhone. Definitely grabbing these. That's what I came here for. Alright y'all, they had stopped me recording it from recording myself in the Louis store, but got my shit. Got the shoes I wanted for my birthday. Now I gotta come back up here because I ain't bring my ticket and get my ticket validated. I'm sorry, Justin. My man, Ellis Forte, I usually fuck with him for my purchases for the down Tyson's and shit. But this was like more convenient today, so I came here. Come in there. Yeah, I went all the way to my car just to get my little parking ticket to get validated. Might as well enjoy all the perks, you know what I'm saying? My bad, y'all. Siri in my ear and shit. She here listen to everything I say. Whew. This my man's, bruh, who I'm showing you, who clothes I'm wearing. He just sent me this, like, as we fucking speak. Nah, I gotta go this way. Excuse my house. Oh yeah, I got. What's today? Wednesday? Damn. It's about that time. Damn. These is tough. We got receipts over here. Yeah, I'm doing the unboxing. We got receipts over here. Ain't no WhatsApp. You know, niggas be wearing fake shit. We don't do fake shit over here, Slim. Oh, hello, oh, Kwana. None of that. None of that. Happy birthday to me. Fuck you talking about. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to be coming back with all the content, man. Real Name Princess. And I just dropped the tape. Go get that. It's called Still P on all platforms.
I got an addiction. I can't stop getting it. Boy, man, pay me 6 figures. My cousin get it in the kitchen.